Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to explain what Zapier is and how it works in the simplest possible way, so you can clearly understand why so many businesses and professionals rely on it every day. Think of Zapier as a digital bridge that connects your favorite apps and automates tasks between them without you having to write a single line of code. Imagine you're constantly moving data between Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, Trello, or hundreds of other tools. Zapier steps in to save you time by doing those repetitive actions automatically in the background. So what exactly does it do? Zapier allows you to create what are called zaps. A zap is basically an automation made up of two parts, a trigger and an action. The trigger is the event that starts the process, like receiving a new email or getting a form submission. The action is what happens next, like sending that data to a spreadsheet, posting a notification in Slack, or creating a new task in your project management app. Once you set it up, Zapier takes care of this every single time the trigger happens, without you lifting a finger. Let's say you run a small business. Every time a customer fills out a form on your website, you want their information stored in a Google Sheet, an email notification sent to your sales team, and a task created in Trello to follow up. Doing all of that manually could take several minutes each time, and if you get dozens of submissions a day, that's hours wasted. But with Zapier, you set up one zap to handle it all. Form submission as the trigger, followed by multiple actions like updating the sheet, sending an email, and creating a Trello card. From then on, it's automatic. Another example. Imagine you're a content creator. You upload a new YouTube video and you want to instantly share the link on Twitter, post it to Facebook, and archive the video details into a Notion database. With Zapier, that's one simple automation. You set YouTube upload as the trigger, and then actions across multiple platforms handle the rest. That means instead of spending time copy-pasting and switching between apps, you can focus on actually creating more content. The best part is that Zapier works with thousands of apps, so the combinations are almost endless. Whether you're connecting productivity tools, social media platforms, CRMs, e-commerce systems, or marketing software, chances are Zapier already supports them. And because it's no code, you don't need to be a developer or tech expert. It's all about picking your trigger, choosing your actions, and letting Zapier run those workflows automatically in the background. So, you might be wondering about the benefits. The biggest one is time savings. By eliminating repetitive manual tasks, you can focus on higher value work. It also reduces human error, because Zapier doesn't forget steps or make mistakes. It executes your workflow consistently every time. And for teams, it ensures everyone stays updated in real time, since notifications, updates, and data syncs are happening instantly. Zapier also scales with you. If you're just starting out, you might only need one or two simple zaps. But as your business grows, you can build more advanced automations with multiple steps, filters, or conditions, making your workflows as powerful as you need them to be. And since it's all cloud-based, you don't need to install heavy software or manage servers. Everything runs online and stays in sync across your devices. So, to sum it all up, Zapier is like having a personal assistant for your digital life. It connects your apps, moves information where it needs to go, and takes care of repetitive tasks automatically. Instead of wasting time doing the same steps over and over, you let Zapier handle them, while you focus on growing your business, finishing your projects, or simply freeing up time for more important things. That's how Zapier works and why it's so powerful. If you've ever wished your apps could talk to each other and handle things on their own, Zapier is the tool that makes it happen. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.